A long walk to freedom. Nelson Mandela was the first black leader to be elected as the President of the Republic of the South Africa. The present lesson is extracted from his autobiography, A Long Walk to Freedom, in which he had written his views about freedom and experience during the struggle for freedoms and racial discrimination. He says every man has two obligations in life. The first obligation is to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, and the second one is to his people, community and his country. In a country like South Africa, it is not possible for a black man. A person who tried to fulfill his obligations was punished, isolated and put away by the government at that time. It was difficult for a black man who attempted to live as a human being was punished and isolated. Mandela had the freedom to run in the fields near their hut, roast mealies and ride the bulls, free to swim in the clear stream that ran through his village as long as he obeyed his father and abided by the customs of his tribe. When he became young, he realized that the boyhood freedom was an illusion. Slowly and gradually, his understanding about freedom has been changed. Hard words and their meanings. Mealy, maze, illusion, an idea or belief which is not true. At first, as a student, he wanted freedom only for himself. The transitory freedoms of being able to stay out at night, read what he pleased and go where he chose. Later, as a young man, he yearned for the basic and honorable freedom to marry, have family and livelihood. They wanted to have freedom for the people in the country. These desires for freedom had transformed a frightened young man into a bold man, a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal. He was forced to live like a monk. Finally, hunger for his own freedom became the great hunger for the freedom of his people. This is how Mandela's understanding of freedom changed with age and experience. There was a lot of oppression in South Africa during Mandela's time. Nelson Mandela believed in individual freedom. It is not taken for granted. Everyone has to struggle for it. He expressed his desire for the freedom of the people of his country to live their lives with dignity and self-respect. Mandela opined that a man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred and he is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow-minded men. Let us look some more hard words and their meanings. Inclination, a feeling that makes a person to do something. Inevitably, certainly to happen and unable to be avoided or prevented. Twilight, used to describe a way of life which is characterized by uncertainty. earning my keep. Doing useful things to live. Animate. Make someone more active. Underline the most appropriate meaning for each of the following underlined words. I was born free. Able to act at will. Having personal rights. Not subjected to constraints. Costing nothing. The answer is A. Able to act at will. I was prevented from fulfilling my obligations. Not able to perform. Stopped from doing. Conditioned to do. Forced to do. Answer is stopped from doing. My freedom was curtailed, enhanced, lost, reduced, blocked. Answer is blocked. I was not a virtuous leader. Dignified, law-abiding, well-behaved, honest. The answer is honest. Read the following paragraph carefully. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate forms of the words in brackets. Nelson Mandela was an outstanding black leader of South Africa who spent his lifetime fighting against racial segregation. He had to spend 30 years of imprisonment to achieve freedom of the colored. Finally, he created history when he became the first black man as the President of Independent Republic of South Africa. This great leader, who has been a source of inspiration for millions of freedom lovers in the world, was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. The adjectival clause are also called defining relative clause because they help to define the person or the object referred to.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.